please, babe, not now.
It's okay, babe. Relax. There's 3 pedals down here. 3 of them. Your gas, that's always going to be on your right. Your brake, that's always in the middle. And then your clutch.
Right, can you
That's on
repeat
your
that
left.
with the listening?
Your clutch,
What is that?
that's what makes this go into gear.
Do I have to press that?
Yes.
When?
Before you put it into gear. You gotta hold it.
Talk to me like in a different language,
Alright,
like a
look.
gear.
You see the stick?
Yeah.
So you can put it in, so you can drive the car.
Uh-huh.
Gotta push your clutch down.
Huh?
Put it in.
In what?
You see they have numbers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4,
What are
5,
those numbers
6.
for?
The gears. Like,
What are
so you
gears?
can keep on making the car go faster.
So can I just stay on one of them?
I mean, you could stay in 3. You gotta go 1, 2, and 3.
So it's 1?
No. 1 is all the way to the side and up. That's 1. 2 is
1,
straight down from there.
1, 2.
And then 3 is just middle and up. 4,
Alright, I'm
straight
trying.
back.
So 1 is.
Wait, put it in the middle. Now go like that to it. That's neutral. When you go move it like that.
Where's
you-
1? This is 1?
No, take it out. Put it in the middle and shake it side to side. Can you move it side to side good?
No.
Babe, you see how you can't move it side to side in there?
I'm gonna get confused with these. Alright, 1. I mean, this is the middle.
Yeah, it's neutral.
Okay.
So there you could give it gas all you want. It's not going to go nowhere. There, a car will roll away on you on the hill. So, all the way to your left,
Okay.
to the wall, basically, and up is 1.
This is 1.
Then all the way to your left down is 2.
2.
Yes, but that's 4th gear though. Actually, no, that was 2.
What the fuck?
So you gotta look like that when you're in 2.
Okay.
1,
1, 2.
2,
Alright, and this is the middle. Wait.
yeah, the middle. Then
Wait, hold on.
straight up is 3. You're in
Wait,
3
where's
right now.
the middle?
Look, you don't gotta, look,
That's the middle?
listen. Well, you feel it going in right there, right?
Uh-huh.
When you pull it out, that's it, that's in the middle.
Okay. So, no.
So put it into gear.
Wait, so, wait.
Once you see you're already in gear, once you're in gear,
This is what?
that's 1. That's
2.
2. 3. That's 5. 6. Or reverse.
What the fuck?
There's 6 gears. 6
I
combis.
don't understand. I don't like this.
Look, first gear is where you start off at. Then you go to second gear. You go a little faster. Third gear.
But you
more
said
faster.
if I don't change them, it turns off.
No, if you let it, if you try to move when it's in gear, and you don't
What is
give it
gear?
when you put it so it could go in there, this is the gears. Look, this is the gears. Once it goes into the
It's
slot,
not gears. Those are the numbers to drive.
fine, yes, the numbers to drive, but they're called gears.
Okay, don't tell me gears.
The numbers to drive. Once you put it into your number to drive,
Mhm.
if you don't give it no gas when you have the clutch in, it's gonna turn off.
So why do you always change them?
Because when you go, the faster you go, you gotta change them.
How do you know when to change them?
You'll see the thing.
I never see nothing.
You see how I saw my old car? I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, every time it goes to like 2, almost 3, it'll
So
change
it
by
tells you
itself.
what number?
So once it gets to like 2, almost 3, you push in the clutch, the pedal.
So every
all
time
the-
I change this, I have to push my foot on that?
Yes,
Oh, hell no.
it's okay. It's not that
That's
bad.
mad work.
It's okay though. You ready?
So to turn on the car, I have to press the first one
The first one on your left.
and pull what on this.
Nothing. Just turn the key.
Okay. And then to drive,
You
I put it on gas.
You know, you leave it there. Then you put it in gear. Then you give it a little bit of gas. So you see like on 1. Then slowly you pick up your left leg. And the car's gonna start rolling. Then once the car starts rolling, you can let go of the clutch completely. Then when you go shift, when you go to your second gear, when you go to number 2, you push it back in, let go of the gas, and bring it down. But you don't gotta even give it gas back again.
Oh, I don't really understand nothing, but
You'll understand when you're on this side. Now, get out and jump over.
I'm not jumping over. Oh, shit.
Look at I'm jumping over. I ain't getting out. struggles for a fat person.
Alright, so. Ew, turn that off.
Definitely not.
Come on. Turn off those lights.
Put your foot on the clutch. Oh, you off. Maybe you gotta see. Foot on the clutch.
Yeah, I think I gotta take off my coat.
Alright, turn on the car though. It's cold.
Wait, I have to take off my coat. Wait, this seat's too black.
Seatbelt.
Oh no, leave it. It's too cold to see.
It's gonna get mad hot in a couple seconds. If you turn on the car, it'll get hot as balls.
Wait, I have to change the seat. I mean, how do I move?
Same thing as my other car.
Okay. Wait, I forgot which ones are which.
Left pedal, push it down all the way down. All the way to the floor.
So this one right here is
All the
which
way to
one?
the floor. The one in the middle is always the brake.
The brake is the middle.
Yes.
This is gas.
Yes.
This is that clutch.
Yes.
Okay.
Now push
I
it.
can't see with that phone.
You pushed it all the way down. Now turn the key.
Wait, I'm trying to
Babe,
get
turn
ready.
the car before the battery dies.
Wait, press the clutch.
Yes, all the way down to the floor.
Can I break it?
No,
Like pressing all the way down.
no. You have to press it all the way down
All right, to the floor.
to the floor.
Okay, now turn it on.
Yes.
Now
Make sure you're not in gear before you move it. Go like that. Shift.
Move it
side
where?
to side. You're not in gear. Just like, babe, no. You're in gear now. Just
be
like
careful
this.
the
look.
car don't move back. Wait, if it goes back, what do I press?
The brake. If you
The
do
brake
this,
is this one,
the
right?
middle. It's the same thing.
How do I put it to drive?
Alright, now you have to clutch all the way in to the floor.
Yes.
Now, all the way to the left.
This?
Yes. And up. Now you're in
First?
first gear yet. Now give it some gas.
With the gear, with the clutch down?
Yes. Give it some gas.
Oh, that's the brake, right? The middle?
Yes. The one on the right is the gas. Yeah, just like that. You see how you had it in between 1 and 2?
Yeah.
Keep it there in between 1 and 2. Give it a little bit more gas. Just a little bit. Now, slowly, when you get in between 1 and 2, slowly let off the clutch. Slowly let off the clutch. Turn the steering wheel that way.
Oh,
Push the clutch in, babe.
no.
Babe,
I'm
turn the
scared.
stupid steering wheel that way.
I don't know how to drive this.
Put the clutch down.
I don't know how
Clutch,
to drive
clutch
this.
down. Clutch down.
Okay. I don't know how to drive this.
Now
How
give it a
am I
little
going
bit of
back?
gas. Give it a little bit
Babe,
of gas.
I'm scared if I go down there.
You're not. Turn the steering wheel that way.
Which one is the gas again?
The-
This side, right? Babe, I'm scared of that.
a little bit of gas.
Which one is the gas?
Babe, the one on the right.
This one?
Yes. Now give it a little bit of gas. Just like that. But, alright. You see, letting off the clutch too fast. You don't want that. Slowly.
Alright, press it down again.
Yeah, all the way to the floor.
Oh my god, this is so
Slowly,
scary.
nice and slow. Give it a little bit of gas and slowly let it off the clutch.
It's going back.
Oh, babe.
Oh, let it go a little
Slowly.
bit, right?
Yes. Push the clutch in.
Oh, I don't know how to
You're
do
set.
that.
Go forward. Give it
Please,
some
babe,
gas.
I'm scared.
Give it some gas. A little bit of gas, though.
I'm scared.
Now push the clutch in.
Press the clutch in.
No. Give it some more gas. Now press the clutch in.
Press it all the way in.
All the way down to the floor.
Okay.
Now put it in 2.
Down.
Yeah, all the way down. Babe, that's not in gear. Babe, wait, don't give it gas when you're trying to do that. Babe, put the clutch all the way down.
Okay.
And now give some gas. Not
Oh.
too much like that. Alright, put
Babe, I'm scared. Alright.
clutch all the way down to the floor.
Yeah.
Now, give it a little bit of gas. And let off the clutch slowly at the same time.
I don't like this. I don't like this at
I
all.
said go forward.
Let go of the clutch fully. The
Yeah.
clutch.
Now that you're moving, you don't have to push the clutch. Now, push the clutch in all the way to the floor.
Move it in.
All the way to the floor. Don't
Okay.
hit the brake, babe. And then you go into second. Now go. But don't slow
I
down.
could press gas.
Yes.
No, I don't like this.
You don't have to slow down.
I could let go of the clutch.
Yes. Babe, you don't have to. Once you're moving, you don't have to hold the clutch no more.
This is fucking scary. I don't like this. This is scary if you don't know how to drive this. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Like, this is dangerous.
You're on that lane. Put your signal.
No. Can you change that thingy for me?
What?
That?
Yeah.
I have to press the gas, the brake over there, right?
But remember, once you come to a complete stop, you gotta push the clutch in.
Oh, so when I stop, I press the clutch all the way down?
Yeah, so like that the car won't turn off.
All
Now
right, so
push
the
it down.
clutch all the way down?
Yes. It's down, stop. Now, we're gonna put it back in first. It's in first now.
Okay, now do what?
Now, give it a little bit of gas.
Let go of the clutch?
No, gas first. And then let the glow of the clutch slowly. Just like that. Just like that.
This is fucking scary. I don't like this at all.
No.
I don't like this.
Give it some more gas.
It's only good.
Now, change it to second gear. Clutch all the way down. Now change it. Don't hit no brake. Just clutch all the way down. Change it. There we go. You did it!
Scary. I don't like this. This is. I don't like
See, it's
this.
not that hard.
I don't like it.
Told you I could teach you how to drive, right?
I don't like it. Alright, and if I press the brake, it stops everything?
And if you slam on the brakes, you're gonna turn the whole car.
Turn off?
Yeah, if you slam on it. Like if you go to 0 miles per hour,
How do I know when to change that clutch?
you see the speedometer?
What is that? I don't know what speedometer
Where it says the
is.
numbers at, the speed you're going.
Okay.
And you see the one next to it? Once you hit like 2,000, 2,000 in
Where's
the middle.
2000? I don't see no 2000.
When you hit 2,
How do I stop? I'm gonna
Brake.
stop that car.
brake. Clutch in and brake.
Clutch in and brake?
Yeah.
Where's the clutch?
All the way, babe, in your left. Babe, clutch. You gotta put it all the way down to babe. Hit the brake. Clutch all
I
the way
keep on
down.
forgetting to press it all the way down.
Yeah, all the way down. Push it all the way down.
Wait. Alright.
Wait.
Is that one?
Now it's on one. Give it some gas. And let go of the clutch slowly.
Oops.
I actually did really better than I did when I first started.
I was not slowly.
Now that was actually pretty good. You just, when that happens, sometimes you gotta give it a little bit more gas. Now,
I don't like
clutch.
it. Clutch?
Yes, all the way down. So you can shift into second. That's it. You're in second gear now.
I don't like this.
So I told you to start over there first. Go forward.
No, over
Give it
there.
gas. Babe, you don't let it turn off. You can't go so slow like that.
Ooh.
Babe, you don't have to do that. When you push the clutch down, it's only to put it into number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6.
So, but when I let it go fast, it
Listen,
fucking
once
sounds
you-
like it's growling at me.
Once you start moving, you don't really have to worry too much about the clutch. The only time you gotta push it down all the way is when you're gonna stop the car, or when you're trying to switch from 1 to 2, or from to another number. And for example, give it a little bit of gas right now. Speed up a little.
No, you're trying to make me crash?
No. All right, now put the clutch all the way in. Now
All the
put
way
it into
in?
third. Yes, and then put it into third.
I don't know how to.
Into the middle and up. Middle up.
I don't know how to. This is hard.
That's it. It's in. Now go give it gas. You can't slow down so much, babe. Just put the clutch in, clutch in, clutch in, clutch in.
Oh my.
Now give it gas.
I can let go of the clutch and give gas.
Yes. But not like that though. You can't let it go so fast, babe. You gotta slow down with it.
I don't like this. It's not my fault. I don't like it.
But you're not listening though what I'm telling you. Because if you was listening, you won't understand what I'm telling you. The third pedal. Push it in all
Right
the
now?
way. Yes, you can start doing it now.
Let go of the gas.
Yeah, you can let go of the gas. Just stop right here.
All right, it's all the way down.
Now put this in 1. Make sure it's in 1.
I don't know how to make sure
Babe,
it's on one.
Put your foot on the brake real quick. 1 is always gonna be towards
This
you.
is hard. This is confusing.
Babe, look at the number.
I don't know. Look.
Babe, are you blind? Look at the number.
I pressed up. It don't.
Babe, look.
It
the
doesn't
number.
go up.
What does the number say?
Well, fucking one.
Well, where's the pointing at?
Up here. Look.
All right, no, you can't just push it up there. And that's
All
it.
right, it's not my
You gotta,
fault. I
no,
don't know.
stop pushing it. I'm trying to
Just
explain.
change it. I want to get out of here.
I'm trying to explain to you.
Hurry up. I want to get out of the
Stop
stop
yelling.
sign.
Push it all the way towards you. No, babe, don't push it back. Just
I don't want to drive this. You're not a good driver. You're
Babe.
not a good.
Just all the way towards you and up. That's 1. Now, all the clutch is all the way down?
Yes.
Stop yelling at me. Oh, it's not all the way down because I can feel the car wanting to turn off. Okay, now give it a little bit of gas. Now let go of the clutch slowly. Slowly off the clutch. Yes, like that. Just like that. Oh shit! That was
I
the
don't like.
best
Turn on the
one.
fucking light.
That was the best one you did so far.
I don't fucking like this. You know fucking good at telling me what you freaking
Now
do.
push the clutch all the way in, the third pedal all the way to the floor.
God.
Let go of the gas. Now you push it back down towards you. Second, now you can let go of the clutch. Alright, start slowing down. Clutch all the way in. Brake. And now you're out of gear. Now, clutch all the way in.
Yes.
Now give it some gas. Now let go of the clutch slowly. There you go. You're getting the hang of it. You're getting the hang of it.
Clearly, because or else I'm gonna die.
Now clutch. Clutch. All the way in, babe. To the floor. It has to be to the floor.
God, let me know when you're gonna change it.
I'm telling you clutches because that means I'm going to change it.
This goes too fast. I don't like it. I mean, because I don't know. I don't like this. I don't.
I mean, you can drive a little faster than this.
No.
Be careful when you scratch my rims.
Shut up. I should scratch it.
Keep on going. Give me gas. And then park right over there. Like where we was at the first time.
Yeah, over there with no cars.
Start slowing down.
Have
Clutch
to
in.
press the clutch.
Yes. Now you're out of gear. You can stop it here now. Alright, stop completely. Alright, look. Which one is your clutch?
This
And which one is your brake?
middle.
And your gas? Alright. Now turn off the car real quick.
Is on everything ready?
Yes.
I can let go.
Yeah. Turn the lights off.
Where?
Okay, just turn this.
The car's going back.
Yeah, no. Just hold your foot on the brake.
And I have to hold it too?
It's because the brakes are bad. That's why.
You gotta fucking fix that shit.
I know. Alright. One, we gotta learn this real quick. You know what you could do?
That is fucking crazy.
Let go of the brake.